Oh, this is so aesthetic.
I'm trying to put you in the worst mood. He want cleaner than your church shoes. $1.2 just to hurt you. All the light we cannot see.
Don't play with me, because I see when my shein package arrived unexpectedly, I'm about to turn this scenario up. So don't play with me, and make sure you search my code DPLY9. It feels so good. I am so overwhelmed and blessed. All these brands are reaching out to me. There are tons of them, and at this point I'm overwhelmed, and I just want to tell God thank you for the blessing. Things is just heading in the right direction, and I just want to tell you guys that it's a blessing for me to be you know, touching base with these brands, get the opportunity to explore stuff. Yeah, it feels very amazing. Definitely I'm going to give you a try and all, but that is when I come back, because I'm traveling this weekend. Unfortunately, I have a few days until my trip, and I am going to pack my luggage at this point. Just so you know, these babies are out. Is what? Definitely, you know, when these babies are out, it's about to get crazy. These are one of my favorite bags. Something about them, and then I always get a lot of compliments also. Wherever I turn up, whatever, through the airport or random at my destination, somebody always says, oh, these are nice luggage. However, I got these for a gift. It named like Travel Smith. I don't know if you've ever heard about that brand before, but I love these bags. They are very demure. Finally, I am going to do my packing off camera because I don't have time for that. I talk so much, I don't even remember what I was saying. Let me check because I remember what I'm gonna say. Yeah, so finally I'm going to do the packing off camera because I don't have much time to sit here and chit chat with you guys throughout it. But definitely when I come back, I'm going to do that all. The try and all for shein, to be exact. Monday's Memorial Weekend. That's the reason for me to head out for traveling. At this point, I am preparing my dinner. So definitely gonna touch base with you guys. Maybe not tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm going to do my hair and I'm going to do my nails also. So today is Thursday and I am heading out Saturday. Definitely I'm going to be in Miami for Memorial Day to turn up. Not sure if I'm gonna record tomorrow because I'm gonna be super busy. But definitely before I head out on Saturday, I will touch base with you guys. Bye. Hey guys, it's Saturday and I'm heading to the airport now. I have a small amount of time on my hands, so I'm gonna head out now. I just want to show you the fit. So I'm wearing the sports bra top from Brabic and also the Capri pants from Brabic. I am going to wear a throw over through the airport, but I just want to show you what I'm wearing now, and then I'll talk to you when I reach my destination.
And that's all I need. We in Miami turning up another night. We smoking broccoli, but she smelling like a rat. I'm in a penny trying to get.
Oh, this is so aesthetic. Hey guys, so I just arrived at my location. I've been here like maybe 20 minutes now. I'm very tired. The place is so nice. Can't wait to turn up tomorrow. Just want to touch base with you guys to let you know that I won. Probably going to head out, get something to eat, but I'm going to take a bath first and grab something to eat. Or maybe not. Maybe just change off and take a bath. Event, I'm not sure yet where I'm going.
Proceed to Northwest 2nd Street, then turn right.
So I am ready to go outside, and I'm wearing this crochet I made set from Charmaine. She's on Instagram, so definitely you can go to her for her to make yours. So it's just a bucket hat with the top, and I'm accessorizing it with my Prada bag and my shades. I throw this shawl over my hip so I don't look nudie at the lower bottom. Let me know if you like it in the comments. Get a coffee or something. Second fit of the day. A little commercial photo outfit. Oh. Just to get some juices patty. Okay, wherever we go, we gotta take our roads with us. So let's go. No one in this world can stop me, 'cause I'm protected. Ta-da! So I got the cheese patty, which is basically a combo. So it comes with the soda, the cheese patty, and the french fries. Huh? So nice.
With the camera?
Turn it to me.
Hold the drink. Hold your drink.
Cheers, all of us.
Yeah, nice. Hey, say hey, Jean. That's Stacy, mom. Stacy, beautiful, gorgeous mom. You should have a remote. In and out. There's too much light. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Why you look too untidy? Come again. Come again, sis. This is just the clothes. Again. Oh, Jesus.
Ladies, do you have any questions about the food?
I know what I want. What do you recommend first of all?
Alright, if you want to do seafood,
Yeah, mix it up. No, just squeeze the lemon on it?
Yes, you did.
Oh my god, sis, not going to that much here. Sure. Just do like something like.
It's your famous sticky name, but
Ready? Jeez, what made cut off? Right down here?
Wait, it's something.
That's good.
Island Harvest, Coffee Night, passion fruit. It's right. Isn't the?
This is the island up here?
Yeah.
I'll take it.
All right, I got it. This is funny, but what can I do? That's exactly what it is. Yeah, it's on the way.
And it goes.
I got money on my mind all the time. Oh, got no time for the lies. Oh, pay no mind to the guys. Oh, I'm cutting
Hey guys, so let's get into this. I'm modeling Burberry sportswear athletic / you can wear it as a comfort because I wore mine to the airport. So now I'm wearing the dress. This is a shapewear. It also have adjustable strap. It snatch your stomach and give you that snatch look in your skin tight dress or maxi dress, you name it. Also we have the sports bra. It's very gorgeous and comfy and soft. It have a zipper. It have the strap where you can just strap on and strap off. And I'm wearing a size small. Also I have the Capri, which is very shapy. I'm wearing this to the airport, and girl, it was pure compliments. And this is also a size small. I'm gonna list the name below so you can get your pieces there. OMG, look at these. So now they're soaking in the lemon juice, also the shrimp over here, and I'm just allowing that to set for like maybe 2 minutes, and then I go ahead and dry them, then put some spice as such on the shrimp. I will also show you guys how those look before I put them in the pot. Just a quick moment with y'all. So I wash them with some lemon juice, so now I'm trying to pat dry them with paper towel. I have to do it real good because I don't want it to pop in the urge of being fried. So approximately do this step 2 times. Now they're pretty much oversaturated the paper towel, so I figure more or less these are ready. Moving on to the next step, I am going to add my black pepper and salt, and then the next step is frying. I'll be back to you guys during the frying process. Also, I'm gonna add some festival Elsa style. Let's see where it goes. This is the pot for the fish. I rather when the pot is very small because it allows the fish to fry properly instead of burn. I'm not a perfectionist, but I'm just saying. And then this is going to be for the shrimp. No oil added to this one. I just add butter. This is the amount for the shrimp. Let me turn on the fire. Also, I'm gonna add some garlic. This is how it looks frying, and then this is the shrimp coming together.
I'm trying to put you in the worst mood. He want cleaner than your dress shoes. $1.2 just to hurt you. All red line just to tease you. None of these toys on lease to. Made your whole year in a week too. Main bitch out of your league too. Side bitch out of your league too. I show what you need a centerpiece. 20 racks to table come from Ebony. Cut that every into skinny pieces. And she clean up with her face when I love my baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see the shade.
Definitely I'm going to give you a try on all because I'm traveling this weekend. But when definitely I'm going to give you a try on all, but I'm traveling this weekend, so for now I'm just going to pop my luggage. I'm definitely going to give you all, but that is when I come back because I'm traveling this weekend, and unfortunately I have a few days until my trip, and I am going to pack my luggage at this point. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Oh, you were going to call this morning?